The Kalstein Laboratory Circulating Bath is a high-performance thermal control solution designed for laboratories that demand exceptional temperature accuracy, stability, and reliability. Ideal for research centres, universities, biotechnology laboratories, and industrial applications. It delivers precise temperature regulation for thermal stability testing, controlled chemical synthesis, sample conditioning, and a wide range of scientific experiments. With temperature ranges extending from -40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, depending on the model, and outstanding plus or minus 0.05 degrees Celsius stability, this circulating bath ensures consistent and repeatable results in even the most demanding laboratory environments. Its efficient circulation system provides a 14-litre per minute flow rate with a 12-metre pump lift, guaranteeing uniform temperature distribution throughout external systems and connected equipment. Available in multiple capacities from 10 to 30 litres, the unit combines a compact footprint with a durable design, making it easy to integrate into any laboratory workspace. Built for continuous operation and dependable performance, the Kalstein Laboratory Circulating Bath is the ideal choice for professionals who require accurate thermal management, improved experimental reproducibility, and long-term operational reliability.